In this video, we'll go over the 9 most popular high-yield savings accounts on the market. Feel free to pause the video to read the disclaimer or find the full disclaimer in the video description below. As high-yield savings accounts, all the accounts on this list have no monthly fees. All the accounts we'll cover are also FDIC insured, which covers $250,000 per depositor, per insured bank, per account ownership category. We'll mainly be covering the basics of each account, the current APY offered, any minimum balance requirements, minimum opening deposit requirements, or sign-up bonus offers available, and whether you can physically deposit or withdraw cash. Keep in mind the APY for high-yield savings accounts is variable, so it'll usually fluctuate a few times a year along with the market. The first account on our list is the American Express High Yield Savings Account, which is currently offering 4.1% APY on your account balance. This account also has no minimum opening deposit or minimum balance requirements. There isn't currently an advertised sign-up bonus for this account, but Amex does occasionally send out targeted bonus offers for it, so that's something to keep in mind. You won't be able to physically deposit or withdraw cash with this savings account, so you'll need to rely on depositing or withdrawing cash through a brick-and-mortar bank you belong to, and transfer money online between that account and your high-yield savings account. Next, we have the Discover Online Savings Account, which is also offering 4.1% APY on your balance at the moment, again with no minimum opening deposit or minimum balance requirements. Discover currently does have a sign-up bonus, which isn't openly advertised on their main page. You can find it by searching for it on your browser. Right now, you can earn either a $150 bonus or a $200 bonus if you're able to meet their bonus requirements. In order to earn one of their bonuses as a new customer of the high-yield savings account, you'll need to enter the offer code that's on the screen when applying, and then you'll need to deposit a total of at least $15,000 in qualifying deposits to earn the $150 bonus, or deposit a total of at least $25,000 in qualifying deposits to earn the $200 bonus instead. Bear in mind that the qualifying deposits have to post to your account within 45 days of account opening in order to earn the bonus. This offer is set to expire on March 13th of next year. Just like with the Amex account, you won't be able to make cash deposits or withdrawals, so you'll need to transfer money online between your accounts. Next, we have the Capital One 360 Performance Savings Account, which also has an APY of 4.1% right now and has no minimum opening deposit or minimum balance requirements. There isn't an advertised sign-up bonus for this account right now, but Capital One will sometimes send out targeted bonus offers for it. With the Capital One High Yield Savings Account, outside of transferring money online to or from your account, they do also have some physical locations, so you may be able to deposit and withdraw cash depending on where you live. It's important to note that you can only deposit or withdraw cash within an actual Capital One bank branch. You won't be able to do so at Capital One cafes or ATMs, unless you also have their checking account. You can just go into the branch to deposit or withdraw cash with your ID, since you won't receive an ATM card for the savings account. Capital One branches are very limited in terms of numbers and reach though, so that's important to keep in mind. The next account on this list is the Ally Bank Savings Account, which is offering a 4% APY on your balance at the moment with no minimum opening deposit or minimum balance requirements. Ally Bank doesn't have an advertised bonus offer at the moment, but they do have a referral bonus going on right now that can be applied to opening an Ally Bank Savings Account, a spending account, or a self-directed trading account. If you use the bonus offer for the savings account, you can earn a $100 bonus if you enroll in the offer through a referral link before December 31st of this year. You open a new Ally Bank savings account within 30 days of enrollment. You set up and initiate a qualifying monthly automated recurring transfer within 30 days of opening your account, and you complete 3 or more back-to-back automated recurring transfers. Your $100 bonus will be deposited within 30 days of receiving your 3rd recurring transfer. Like most of the other accounts on this list, you won't be able to deposit or withdraw cash with this savings account, so you'll need to transfer money online between your accounts. With the Marcus Online Savings Account, you can currently earn 4.1% APY on your account balance, again with no minimum opening deposit or minimum balance requirements. Marcus doesn't have an official sign-up bonus at the moment, but they do have a referral bonus currently, so you can earn a cash bonus totaling 0.25% of your average daily balance, determined on a monthly basis, over a 92-day period on any of your Marcus Online Savings accounts. In order to get this referral bonus, you need to click Accept Invitation on the referral page in order to activate the referral link and start your cash bonus, go through and complete the application, and then once your online savings account's been opened, you'll earn a cash bonus totaling 0.25% over 3 months, or 92 days to be exact, with the cash bonus being credited to your account at the end of each month. With this savings account, you won't be able to deposit or withdraw cash, so you'll have to transfer money online between your accounts. Next, we have the Barclays Online Savings Account, which is currently offering 4.2% APY on your balance, with no minimum opening deposit or minimum balance requirements. Keep in mind though, you'll need to maintain a balance that would earn you at least 1 cent in interest for the interest to post to your account. So at the current APY of 4.2%, that'd be a balance of at least $3. There isn't currently a sign-up bonus for this account, but they do occasionally offer one, so it's good to double check if there is one before you apply. Like most of the other accounts we've covered, you won't be able to make cash deposits or withdrawals with this savings account, so you'll need to rely on online transfers instead. With the Synchrony Bank High Yield Savings Account, you can currently earn an APY of 4.3% on your savings balance, with no minimum opening deposit or minimum balance requirements. Synchrony isn't currently offering a sign-up bonus for this account, and it seems they don't usually offer bonuses for it in general. Unlike the other accounts on this list, you do have the option of getting an ATM card with the Synchrony High Yield Savings Account, which allows you to withdraw cash from an ATM that displays the plus or Excel logos in the US or overseas, and Synchrony Bank will give you a refund for domestic ATM fees charged by other financial institutions up to $5 per statement cycle. You won't be able to deposit cash with this account though, so you'll have to rely on online transfers to add money to your account. The next account on our list is one of the best high-yield savings accounts on the market, as it offers a higher APY than most accounts if you're able to meet their requirement for the highest APY tier. This account is the SOFI Checking and Savings Account, which is a high-yield checking and high-yield savings account duo. With SOFI, there's a tiered APY for the savings account and a set APY for the checking account. For the checking account, you can currently earn 0.5% APY on your checking balance, which is a very high APY for a checking account. For the savings account, if you don't qualify for the higher APY tier, you'll still earn their baseline APY on your savings balance, which is currently 1.2%. You can qualify for their highest APY tier for the savings account, which is currently 4.3%, through one of two ways. For the first option, for every month you receive a direct deposit to your SOFI account, you'll earn their highest APY on your savings balance. What's great is that SOFI doesn't set a minimum amount in direct deposit, so even if you only receive a direct deposit of a few dollars a month, you'll still be able to get their highest rate on your savings balance. As for the second option, for each 30-day evaluation period, you have qualifying deposits into your account that add up to a total of at least $5,000. You can earn that higher APY as well. For most people, the direct deposit option is much easier, since you can just set it up and then leave it on autopilot every time you get paid, so you don't have to worry about your APY going to the lower tier as long as you get a direct deposit each month. The SOFI High Yield Checking and Savings Account also has no minimum opening deposit or minimum balance requirements. SOFI does also have a sign-up bonus right now, and they're also offering a stackable referral bonus on top of that standard bonus offer as well. SOFI is currently offering a $50 bonus if you set up and receive direct deposits to your account totaling $1,000 to $4,999.99 within 25 calendar days of when your first qualifying direct deposits received, or a $300 bonus if your qualifying direct deposits instead total $5,000 or more within the 25 calendar days. On top of that, you can currently earn an additional $25 bonus if you use a referral link to open your SOFI bank account, and then you make a deposit of $50 or more that settles within 14 days of registering for your SOFI account. So if you earn both the referral bonus and the direct deposit bonus, you can earn either $75 or $325 on top of their already high APY on both your checking and savings balance. I've included my own referral link in the description of this video if you'd like to use it to earn that extra $25 bonus. If you use my link to open your account and earn your bonus, I'll receive a bonus as well. So if you do use my link, thank you so much for the support. Another great feature of this account is you'll get a debit card, which you can use to withdraw cash at any of the 55,000 ATMs within the Allpoint network. There's no fee to use these in-network ATMs, and you can often find them at popular retail stores like CVS, Walgreens, Rite Aid, Target, and Costco. Although you can deposit cash into your account using the Green Dot service at certain retailers using your debit card, you'll be charged a fee of up to $4.95 for each cash deposit you make. So it's better to transfer money online from your brick-and-mortar bank account to your SOFI account instead. The last account on this list is offered by CIT Bank, which is a division of First Citizens Bank. The account is the CIT Bank Platinum Savings Account, and just like SOFI, this account offers a tiered APY, so you'll need to meet certain requirements in order to get their highest rate. With this account, you'll earn their baseline APY of 0.25% right now if your balance is under $5,000, and you'll instead earn the highest APY, which is currently 4.7%, if your account balance is $5,000 or more. So this account is really only worth it if you're able to keep at least $5,000 in the account at all times to earn the highest APY. In this way, although you won't be charged a fee for having less than $5,000 in your account, there's basically a minimum balance requirement of $5,000 in order to get their high APY. There's also a minimum opening deposit of $100 for this account as well. CIT Bank isn't currently offering a welcome bonus for this account, and it seems they don't really offer bonuses for it in general. You also won't be able to deposit or withdraw cash with this savings account, so you'll need to stick with doing online transfers between your bank accounts instead. Overall, all the accounts on this list are popular high-yield savings accounts that offer way higher APYs than traditional savings accounts with banks like Chase and Bank of America, so the main thing is just getting started with one. As for my personal favorite accounts, I think the Amex, Discover, and Capital One accounts are great no-frills high-yield savings accounts for beginners, as these are all very well-known banks that have been well established in the banking industry with their credit cards for many years. These three accounts also tend to offer similar APYs to one another at any given time. If you're able to set up direct deposit, then the SOFI high-yield savings account and high-yield checking account duo is a great middle-tier option, as it does offer a higher APY than most of the other accounts on this list if you're receiving direct deposits every month, and since there's no minimum amount in direct deposit required, it's pretty easy to set up with your paycheck or government benefits to qualify for their highest APY. Being able to withdraw cash from their in-network ATMs for free, having the option to deposit cash if you really need to, and the stackable bonus offer they have are all really nice perks as well. If you're looking for an even higher APY and you have at least $5,000 you can keep in your account at all times and don't mind not having ATM access with the account, then the CIT Bank Platinum Savings Account can be a good option to consider. If you're looking for a solid high-yield savings account that offers sub-accounts or buckets where you can have multiple savings goals within your savings account, like a fund for a down payment on a house and one for your next vacation, the high-yield savings accounts from Ally Bank, Capital One, and SOFI are great options that offer these functions. Again, with SOFI having the best rate if you qualify for their highest APY tier. I've personally had the Discover and Amex high-yield savings accounts for a few years now, and I opened the SOFI high-yield savings account earlier this year as well. We do have a video that walks through the application for the SOFI high-yield savings account from start to finish, so you can check that video out here if you're interested in seeing the full process of opening the account. We also have full reviews of the American Express and Discover high-yield savings accounts, which you can check out here. If you enjoyed this video, you may be interested in this video next, where we give a full guide to high-yield savings accounts for beginners, covering everything you need to know about how high-yield savings accounts work and the pros and cons of having one. Let me know in the comments. Do you have any of the high-yield savings accounts on this list, or are you considering getting any of them? If you found this video helpful and you'd like to see more of this type of content, don't forget to click like and subscribe if you haven't yet. If you want to be notified when we post new videos, make sure you also hit that notification bell as well. Thanks for watching and see you next time.